Want to save cash? Here are 10 mind-blowing money-saving hacks. First, meal prepping can significantly reduce your spending. By planning meals and cooking in bulk, you save on groceries and reduce food waste. Second, if you tend to overspend, try using cash instead of credit cards. This method makes you conscious of your spending, preventing unnecessary debt. Third, practice the 30-day rule for impulse purchases. If you want something, wait 30 days before buying it. This period allows you to reassess your need for the item, often eliminating the desire to buy it. Fourth, if you're a coffee lover, consider making your coffee at home. Investing in a coffee maker and your own beans can save you money. Fifth, exploit sales and clearance racks for great deals. It might require some effort, but the savings are worth it. Sixth, cancel any unused subscriptions or memberships. These small savings can add up over time. Seventh, unplug electronics when they're not in use to save on energy bills and benefit the environment. Eighth, cooking meals for friends instead of eating out is more cost-effective and fun. Ninth, book your travel plans in advance for cheaper rates. Lastly, use coupons and promo codes when shopping online to find unexpected savings. We hope these tips help you save some extra cash.